How to lock your Facebook profile on PC. What is up everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can easily lock your Facebook profile on PC. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you want to do is open up your web browser and log into facebook.com. Now once you have done that, the very first thing you need to do is simply go ahead and click on your profile icon to head over to your profile. And once you land on your profile page, you will have this option, three dots right here. Click on it and you have different options here. So you can view as, you can search, you can view your profile status, your archives, story archives, and finally there is an option to lock profile. So click on lock profile like this, and then click on lock profile again. So how locking works, it has shown you right there. You can pause and read if you want. So click on OK, and now your profile has been successfully locked. So that's pretty much it guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.